The Gale Powersearch is actually a portal that lets you search 9 databases at once. It's one of the more advanced database search options we have here at Valley, and it can be very useful for AP classes. To get there, all you need to do is enter your search term here in the box, or you can just click on the icon and it will take you to the home page. Now, you might be asked to enter a barcode or library ID before you see this page. Just remember that that is not your school ID. It's a different password, and that one is on the handout that I gave you when I came to your class. If you lost it or you don't know what I'm talking about, you can email me or come to the library and I'll be happy to give you the password. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the database's homepage, which you can see here. Now, this database can get pretty complicated, but in this video, I'll just show you the basics. What you want to do is enter your search term in the box here. I recommend that you start by choosing subject. If you don't like the results you can get, you should come back and search again by keyword, but the best thing to do for this database is to start with searching by subject. Whichever option you choose, the most important thing to remember is to select this box here. This means that you're only going to see articles that you can read the full text or the entire article. If you don't choose this, you might receive results that just let you read summaries of articles instead of the actual article themselves. So to demonstrate, I'm going to search for Age of Enlightenment. And here are my list of results. You can see that they're divided up by tabs, and the tabs show what type of results I've gotten. So for example, I have 62 magazine articles, 54 academic journals, 13 articles from books, 8 articles that are news articles, and then 0 multimedia files. Multimedia files sometimes will include pictures, audio clips, and video clips. Unfortunately, this search didn't come up with any multimedia files, but not everything will. So I'm going to go back to my academic journals tab, and you can notice that I see some different types. I can see facts about different articles before I actually read them. Here's the title here. Here is the publication that it came from. I can see my date here, and then also the word count there. Now, if I find an article that looks helpful, I can click on it to read the entire thing. I'm going to choose this article. So I click on it, and here's my article. You can see that this one is pretty long. It's a pretty meaty article, so it looks good for our research purposes. Now, some interesting features about this database. If you want to, you can download the article. You can also download it and view it in PDF format. You can email it, and you can print it. Another thing, if you have trouble reading, or if you're an international student and you're still struggling with English a little bit, you can download an MP3 file, and the article will actually be read out loud to you, which is really great. If you don't want to download the MP3 file, you can just click on play here and the audio will stream. Another good thing is you have a dictionary built in, so if you come across a word you don't know, you can click on dictionary and find out what the word means there. You can also translate the article into several different languages, including Spanish, Korean, Chinese, and a whole bunch of other ones. If you like this article and you think that some of your classmates might find it useful, you can share it here. You can share it on several different social media networks, such as Facebook, Delicious, MySpace. I think if you click on the More selection here, you can choose Twitter. There's a whole bunch of ways to share it there. Now, the best part about this, in my opinion, is the citation tool. And here you can choose whether you want to cite it in MLA or APA. So you can choose the option that you want, press save, and it will generate a citation for you that you can copy and paste into your works cited or bibliography. So that's the basic search for the Powersearch. Again, this one is the hardest database that we have, and it can get pretty complicated, so don't worry if it seems a little difficult at first. Just come see me in the library and I'll help you out anytime.